Hello friend, welcome back to Kotlin tutorial. This is Golden Thumb. So eventually we'll use Kotlin to develop Android apps, okay? But now if you are not patient, right, you really want to see a emulator and a simple app. Let's do it. So let's bring up the Android Studio. Okay, so you'll see this, right? Android Studio. My version is the latest 4.1.1. So create a new project. We'll select the empty activity. It will show hello world on the emulator. Okay, next. So my app will use Kotlin Qt. Okay, so package name, you can use something like that. com.yourname.android. The app's name. Save location, it can be anywhere. I just put it under my home directory and Android workspace. That's the directory I created before. Okay, language Kotlin. Okay, just accept the default setting. Finish. We'll see something like that, and you see here it's loading something. Let me make it smaller to give some room for the emulator. Okay, now you see oh, it's still loading, but here, okay, main activity.kt. kt means the Kotlin files. So why do we need to learn Kotlin, right, before we try to create any application? Because we want to understand all those things, right? What is a class, right? What does this mean, right? What is this like, right? And a lot. Override, fun farm is a function. Okay, why there's an on create, right? What is super dot? All those things, right? And what does it mean, the question mark here, right? Optional. Yeah. So basically the skeleton code includes the class main activity and something under resource here, this folder, layout, activity main. Yeah, if you double click that, you can see hello world here. So this is the you see hello world here, right? So if we run it, we can see the hello world. Okay, that's if this is the first time you use Android Studio, you need to click here and AVD manager, Android virtual device, right? You can create a device. I already created one here. You can add more, right? So by how can we add more? Oh yeah, here, create a virtual device, like that, right? Like that. And I just cancel it. You can select one. Okay, I already created two of them here. So Galaxy Nexus 8, okay, whatever, and Pixel, yeah, like that. So we don't need to add any line of code, right? Just go here, select the app, and select one of the emulator. Let's see, Galaxy. Okay, run it by clicking this green triangle. Oh, okay, it's here. It jumped to my big display. Okay, here, waiting. Oh, yeah, hello world, right? The app's name, Kotlin003. That's it. To stop it, we can click here. You see this guy, stop. Yeah, run again, click here. Cool. So if you really want to see, right, the Android app written in Kotlin, right here, the file is in Kotlin, okay, programming language, on an emulator like that. That's it. It's a simplest app in action. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.